This message is to all the entrepreneurs, and I know you all keep publishing different type of ads for your products and your services. And many times this also happens that you exaggerate, you talk very big about your products and services. Sometimes these claims may be far away from the truth. As you may be knowing that very recently there was a big incident happened in the country related to some Coronil drug. This drug was produced by Patanjali Ayurveda, and the claim was that it is a short remedy for Covid-19. My dear friends, it has been found that actually the claims were not real, they were false. And also during this time it has been found that as many as 50 different type of companies have come up with different type of medicines for Covid-19, and all are claiming that they are going to cure the Covid-19. Actually it is not so. The claims are exaggerated. Considering this, the government is coming up with a code of conduct for advertisements as well as for the advertising agencies and the brands. Therefore, we need to be very careful in future that what are we advertising. The advertising has to be helping the customer to buy ethically. If something is being advertised which actually is not truth and just for the purpose of befooling the customer, then probably it is not going to be tolerated in the country anymore. So my dear friends, please take care. Make sure that your business does not come under any kind of problem because of this new code of conduct which is going to be published very soon by the government of India. Take care of your business, take care of your advertisement. Thank you very much.